we've got a week back under our belts, open to the public in the mall here at the Kozlov Center at Doug Laurie Sports. We're glad to have you back in the store. You saw our snazzy new sign. You can check out the hours on the sign there, just freeze it and have a look, or go to the website, Doug Laurie Sports. The hours should be pretty much set in stone, but just go have a look first, just in case, because you never know when things are going to change. I'm leaning here on the hobby cart because we got some supplies back in, shockingly enough. Now, we're still working under limitations. Top loaders are limited to 4 per person. Penny sleeves are limited to 5, but we do have some regular size top loaders. We do have some penny sleeves. We have 9 pocket pages. I do have 180 point top loaders, and I do have some one touches, but I do not have 35.1 touches yet. So sorry, we're still waiting for those to come back in. Now, what you've been waiting for, I'm sure, is Doug Laurie Sports Singles Night number 11. That's coming up Friday night the 26th, 7 o'clock Eastern start time, as always on our YouTube channel, appropriately named Doug Laurie Sports. You can go check out the video showcase on the website, DougLaurieSports.com, and I will be adding items as we go along right through the week up until Friday afternoon. Now, in a similar vein, on March 1st, we are going to be doing a workshop with the Chamber of Commerce, kind of showing folks how the show works, what kind of behind-the-scenes things go on, and all the things that Ron Shaw takes care of that we don't really give him credit for. But what you will be interested in is 5 or 6 local businesses will have items from their businesses available for you to buy at auction during that event. So there will be chamber members there and some people from the public, I'm sure, but you'll also have a chance to buy some of these great products from local businesses, possibly at a discount. We know you love Doug Laurie Sports Singles Night. Think of this as a chance to be involved in a citywide mini singles night. Speaking of the website, we've made some changes in the unopened boxes section. Now, if you go to see what we have in stock on the shelves for unopened wax, all the boxes are sorted by sport or non-sport, that sort of thing. So baseball, football, hockey, basketball, you can go right to where you want to and see what's available on the shelves at DougLaurieSports.com under unopened boxes. Finally, we should tell you, for unopened boxes, we do have some 2021 The Cup still in stock on the shelves. We do have 2021 Leaf in the game used. We do have 2021 Topps Hobby Baseball boxes, plus a bunch of other stuff, and Clear Cut arriving at some point in the very near future. So please come by the store, which is now open. Come in and say hi, check out what we've got for supplies, for wax, and just come in and say hi to us, because we've missed you. And I'm sure you've missed us here at Doug Laurie Sports. And we'll see you Friday night.